came from the word Moro, the name of the Islamic group called Moro that frequently raided the town. The town's population had a predominance of Chinese who had difficulty pronouncing the R and keep pronouncing the Molo instead of Moro. Molo was founded as a Chinese district or Chinatown in 1637. Chinese traders supplying the colonies settled in the area and was formally recognized by the Spaniard as Perian. Throughout the 80s, Molo flourished as a center of learning in the Visayas region, earning the nickname Athens of the Philippines for its intellectual and cultural prominence. Significant people in Molo. Solweta, while the generals of the Philippines Revolution are Esteban de la Rama, first commandant of the Philippines Marines, Raimundo Millesa, Pablo Araneta, Angel Corteza, and Ancito Lacson. 5 mayors of Iloilo City are from Molo: Leopoldo and Rodolfo Ganson, Mansueto Malabor, Jero Treñas, and Jed Mabelo. Molo is the third smallest district in Iloilo City with an area of 5.54 square kilometers. Molo shares borders with Arevalo to the west, Mandurriao to the north, La Paz to the northeast, and city proper to the east. The district is the location of the mouth of Batiano River, which then empties into the Iloilo Strait in the southeast part of the district. The district of Molo has a total of 25 barangays. It include Kalumpang, Cuchero, Compañía, East Baluarte, East Timawa, Habog-Habog, Salvacion, Infante, Kasing-Kasing, Katilingban, Molo Boulevard, North Abansenia, North Baluarte, North Fundidor, North San Jose, Poblacion, San Antonio, San Juan, San Pedro, South Baluarte, South Fundidor, South San Jose, Taal, Tapok, West Habog-Habog, and West Timawa. The Yusay Kunsing Mansion, more popularly known as Molo Mansion, stands across the Molo Plaza and Molo Church. Its features are its high-ceiling neolistical balustrades and decorative carvings. Molo Festa, the annual celebration of the Feast of Saint Anne, the patron saint of the district, is celebrated every July 26. Pancit Molo. Pancit Molo is a pork dumpling soup. It is a type of soup made with wonton wrappers. It consists of a mixture of ground pork wrapped in molo of wonton wrappers, shredded chicken meat, and also shrimp. Pancit Molo originated in Molo. Molo Plaza, one of the 7 district plazas in Iloilo City. Molo Plaza is considered the most beautiful public plaza in the city. The plaza features statues of Greek goddesses and the monument of Maria Clara. A fountain was also installed to break the monotony of the artworks during the rehabilitation in August 2022. Culture. Molo Church, the multiple Spanish colonial church and heritage site in the district. It stands in front of Molo Plaza with prominent red spurs that crown its tall bell towers. Molo Church is also known as the Feminist Church because of the all-woman's ensemble of saints represented in 16 statues perched on the aisle pillars. The church was declared as National Landmark by the National Historical Institute in 1992 through the representation of Sir Nidrix S. Salvilla. It is the only Gothic church in the country outside of Manila.